post down below in the comments if you would rather ride Manta in the very front or the very back. The back seat doesn't give you the best view, but holy crap, the ride is intense. All right, guys, here we go. We're at the top of the lift. Get ready for it. Oh, crap. All right, here comes the pretzel loop. Oh, man. It hurts. It hurts my face, but I love it. Oh, it makes me hungry, too. Oh, man. Here we go. Whee! Oh, this is one intense ride in the back seat. Oh, crap. Woo! Here we go. Mid-course, mid-course, mid-course. And we're dropping down to the awesome splash water effect. Woo! I think I got misted. Oh, hello, waterfall. And the final twist. Oh, into the brakes. Wow. And that is Manta, SeaWorld Orlando, back seat. How'd you do, Chuck? He's dying over there too, so am I. All right, thumbs up though?
Yeah.
Awesome.